If you've ever wanted to arch text in Photoshop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quick and easy way to bend your text into a clean arch, whether you want a subtle curve, a strong smile shape, or that classic vintage style. This is a super useful effect for logos, jerseys, social media graphics, thumbnails, and custom design work. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips just like this. Alright, let's jump into Photoshop. First, make sure your text is already on its own text layer. In the Layers panel, click directly on that text layer so it's highlighted. This part matters because Photoshop needs to know which text you want to edit. If the wrong layer is selected, the warp options won't apply correctly. Now, grab the Horizontal Type tool, which is the T icon on the left toolbar. This is important because the warp text options only appear when the Type tool is active. If you're using another tool, you won't see the controls you need at the top of the screen, so click the Type tool, then make sure your text layer is still selected. Next, look up at the top options bar. You'll see the warp text icon, which looks like a letter sitting over a curved line. Click that icon to open the warp text settings panel. This is where Photoshop lets you bend, arc, and shape the text exactly how you want it. Inside the warp text panel, find the style drop-down menu. It probably says none right now. Click it, and you'll see a list of different warp styles. For a basic curve, you can choose arc. That bends the whole text block along a smooth curve and the letters tilt with the bend. It's great if you want a full curved effect. If you want a more classic arch look, choose arch instead. This option keeps the vertical strokes of the letters straight while curving the top and bottom edges of the text. That makes it perfect for sports logos, badge designs, and vintage style graphics. If you're going for a cleaner, more controlled look, arch is usually the best choice. Once you've picked your style, it's time to fine-tune the effect. Start with the orientation setting. Horizontal is the standard choice for arched text because it bends the word up or down in a normal curve. Vertical bends the text sideways, which can be useful in specific layout designs, but for most projects, horizontal is the one you want. Now move to the bend slider. This is the main control that shapes the curve. Drag it to the right for a positive value if you want the text to arch upward. Drag it to the left for a negative value if you want the text to curve downward into a smile shape. Take your time here, because even small adjustments can make a big difference in how the final design looks. If you want a soft, subtle curve, keep the bend low. If you want a bold, dramatic arch, increase it more. There's no perfect number for every project, so it really depends on the style you're going for. The best approach is to experiment until the text matches your design. You'll also see horizontal and vertical distortion sliders. In most cases, leave these at 0. They're only needed if you want a more extreme perspective look, where one side of the text appears closer or further away. For normal arch text, you don't need to touch them at all. Once everything looks right, click OK to apply the warp. Your text will now be curved into the arch style you chose. From here, you can still move the text layer, resize it, or continue adjusting your design if needed. And that's it. You've just learned how to arch text in Photoshop using the warp text feature. It's a simple technique, but it can completely change the look of your design and make your text feel much more polished and professional. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more text effects, logo tricks, or beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.